Climate change is one of the greatest challenges facing humanity today. It refers to the long-term shifts in the Earth's climate patterns, including temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns, caused primarily by human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other human activities release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat from the sun and causing the planet to warm. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and severe. Rising temperatures lead to more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and wildfires, which in turn threaten human health, food security, and water supplies. Climate change also causes sea levels to rise, threatening coastal communities with flooding and erosion, while changes in weather patterns lead to more frequent and severe storms and flooding. In addition, climate change is having significant impacts on ecosystems, such as coral reefs, which are threatened by ocean warming and acidification. The urgency of addressing climate change cannot be overstated. Without action, the impacts of climate change will continue to worsen, with severe consequences for humanity and the planet. It is therefore critical that we take urgent action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, adapt to the changes already underway, and transition to a more sustainable and resilient future. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions requires a transformation of our energy systems, transportation, and industrial processes. We must transition away from fossil fuels and towards renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower. We must also work to improve energy efficiency and reduce waste. In addition, we must address deforestation and agriculture, which are major sources of greenhouse gas emissions, by adopting more sustainable land use practices. Adapting to the changes already underway will require a range of measures, including protecting vulnerable communities from sea level rise and flooding, improving water management, and developing more resilient agricultural practices. In addition, we must invest in research and development to better understand the impacts of climate change and develop new technologies and solutions to mitigate its effects. Finally, we must recognize that addressing climate change is not just an environmental issue but a social and economic one as well. The transition to a more sustainable future will require significant investments and changes to our economy and society. However, it also offers significant opportunities for innovation, job creation, and economic growth. In conclusion, climate change is one of the most significant challenges facing humanity today, with far-reaching and severe consequences for the planet and our societies. Addressing this challenge requires urgent action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, adapt to the changes already underway, and transition to a more sustainable and resilient future. While the road ahead may be challenging, it also offers opportunities for innovation, growth, and a better future for all.